Continuous customer feedback can transform your business. Lookover's incredible story illustrates this powerful truth in action. In 2017, Lookover implemented Survicate, a tool that became vital for gathering customer insights and experiences. The unbeatable combination of Survicate and Intercom helped Lookover understand why users hesitated to make purchases. After evaluating feedback, Lookover realized many potential clients needed nurturing as they weren't ready to start their businesses. By triggering personalized email campaigns based on feedback, Lookover successfully guided potential clients through their branding journey. Lookover's commitment to feedback not only boosted their ROI but also revitalized their partner program, proving its worth.